The province of Antique and the western part of Panay Island has finally come out of being economically idle in the last few years. More than enough reason to ramp up this positive episode into a sustained and long-term growth by affording greater access to the province for trade and tourism. And the president was more than glad to help inaugurate the province's long-awaited airport in ceremonies today, as our Clazel Pardilia reports.
From a once cramped and outdated airport, this is now the Antique Airport, officially opened today by President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. Spacious, modern, and now comfortable for traveling passengers. From a passenger terminal building of just 181 square meters, the Department of Transportation or DOTR and the Civil Aviation Authority of the Philippines or CAAP expanded it to 2,224 square meters. From only 64 passengers who could travel before, the airport can now accommodate up to almost 400 passengers. The travel experience is now faster as well. Check-in counters have been tripled. Flight information systems have been upgraded to high-tech, and aircraft ramp capacity has been doubled. Air traffic control facilities were also improved with the addition of a fire station and a powerhouse, all to ensure safer and more efficient air travel.
Batid natin ang pagod, hirap at abalang nararanasan araw-araw ng bawat biyahero. Kaya naman, nagsisikap tayong maitaguyod ang isang bansa kung saan ang paglalakbay ay mas mabilis, maginhawa at magampara sa bawat mamamayan. Upang maisulong ang pangarap na ito, isinagawa natin ang Antique Airport Development Project na magpapabilis sa pagtungo sa Antique at sa iba pang mga lugar sa Western Visayas. Malaking ginhawa ang mga ito para sa ating mga biyahero, turista, manggagawa, negosyante o pamilya.
According to the provincial government of Antique, this is more than just a new airport. It opens the door to growth in tourism, business, and the overall economy of the province.
Investors now see Antique as accessible and ready for sustained growth.
CAAP for its part assured the proper management of the Antique Airport.
Sa amin po, sa Civil Aviation Authority of the Philippines, pangangalagaan at gagamitin natin ang bagong pasilidad na ito para sa safety, sa kaligtasan at komportableng biyahe ng ating mga mananakay.
The entire project was funded with 1.5 billion pesos. The construction of the passenger terminal building alone cost 120 million pesos, which according to Senator Loren Legarda, serves as a model for future regional and national development projects.
Ito ay isang magandang halimbawa na kung tama ang pinaglalagyan ng pera ng tao, makikita natin napakarami na kaya natin gawin mas mabilis, mas mura at mas maganda. Gawin ninyo itong pamantayan para sa ating serbisyo sa mga residente at sa ating mga turista. Tiyakin natin na isasagawa ng maayos ang mga proyekto upang mas mabilis itong mapakinabangan ang ating mga mamamayan.
Clazel Pardilia from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.